Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video. The wooden baluster spindles right here are damaged, so we're going to be repairing them. So let's get started. Alright, so right here are the wooden spindles. So this spindle here is very loose. This one's very loose. This one's just a little loose, but not bad. And this one right here seems to be fine. Now right underneath here, there's a screw here, screw here. This one right here is a little bit loose too. So my main concerns are right now is just getting this one and this one glued back in place. Now what we're going to be using to glue these is Type Bond 2 premium wood glue. It's water resistant, exterior or interior and exterior fast set time. All right, I also got myself some blue painter's tape just in case after I get done gluing these two and I set them back in place that these don't wiggle back and forth, which I don't think they will. So this is just in case. All right, so let's bring this up like so. Okay, like this. So we'll do the first one just like this. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. Now all I have to do is just smear it in a little bit, set this right in place. So now that one's set. Okay, should have brought a rag with me. All right, now we need to take the other one, same thing. Just I don't have to put a whole lot onto it. All right, smush it around very carefully like this. Just make sure I get as much as I can. Now I can go ahead and pop this back on. Make sure that's good right there. All right, so now that those two are set, all right, now I don't have to use blue painter's tape to hold these two in place, which they're good. Okay, this one's good, that one's good. This one's just a little loose, so what I'm going to try to do is see if I can squirt some glue in here like this. Okay, see if I can squirt on the sides. Like I said, it doesn't have to be superb, but just as long as it's, you know, put some on my fingertip here like this, like that. Okay, a little bit more like this, and reach down in here like this. Okay, this one right here is good. This one right here, oh, that one's also doing it too. All right, so what I can do is do this one too. So all I have to do is just basically just see if I can smush it underneath there like so. Lift. Whoop. Get a little closer. Put this one back where it went, right there. Put this one right like that. Get a little extra glue in there like this. Put that right like that. That stays in place, and that stays in place, and this right here stays in place as well. All right, now, all right, that one's good. So that one's good, this one's good, this one's good. All I have to do is just redo this one right here. Yep, just redo this one just a little bit. So if I can try to, just like that. All right, slide this one back. And good. All right. So now they're all pretty much set. There we go. There. So now they're all set. So now all I have to do is just wait for, I think, 24 to 48 hours for the ones I glued to dry. And then in another future video, I can go ahead and get some white silicone caulk and caulk all around each spindle, and then also too caulk up in here too, It's like that, so that way the water, moisture, water, whatever, don't get between the spindle baluster and the board here. All right, everybody, so everything seems to be good for right now. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope the video was helpful. If it was, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. See you next video. Bye.